What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Daria.
And it is your boy, Jeremiah.
And today we're back with another video.
Yeah, and today we are, as you guys can see, we are deep down in the country. And, you know, we're going to be lighting. It's actually like the first bright day we'd have had, like, in a long
since
long
it became
time.
like spring, since the daylight saving time.
Yeah. So we're gonna start the first day off, first good day off, with some fireworks. So if you guys don't mind, please go down there and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, share all of our videos if you have not, and join the squad, because we are on our way to 2,000. And we appreciate you guys that has been supporting us on our recent videos. They did some good numbers, and we really do appreciate that. You know, y'all come on, join in. You know, don't be afraid to hit the subscribe button. We all one big happy family. We all are here together. So
it's still squinching. It's the sun.
Yeah, because it's right in my eyes, and we needed some good light for y'all. So that's all.
Oh, you tell me what we're doing?
Yeah, I told them we're gonna be lighting fireworks.
Okay.
So.
And tell them what it is. They're 4 years old.
Oh yeah, they 4 years old. Like when I first bought these, I think it was like, man, I think my family had came in from out of town, and I was just like, man, I'm just gonna, you know, buy some fireworks. And I bought these fireworks, and I never popped all of them. So I ended up saving them. Then every year, like something always ended up coming up that I either had to work or play the drums or something like that. And it always, look, hold on, wait. I don't know if you guys see this, but there's some huge deer back here. So I know where I'm gonna be going for, when we go, hunting again. This is definitely where I'm gonna be at, because it's actually there's some deers up here. So, well, I guess we're gonna get right into the video. And I don't know if baby gonna pop anything, but I'm gonna do it, because this is a great day. It's a wonderful day. Y'all see it? Y'all like our new hair? Y'all like our new hairstyle? What is that?
The wind is everywhere. The wind blowing.
All right, y'all, we're gonna get right to it.
I'm back up real quick.
Oh yeah, these old.
I ain't even hear nothing.
Yeah.
It ain't pop.
It did pop.
It said doom, flew out the thing. It said pow.
Doom was it? That's 4 years old. What you say?
It don't do doom. It's supposed to take off and say pow.
It's supposed to, but it's 4 years old. You wait 4 years.
This is
You wait 4 years and get popped and see what you sound.
We should just set this thing up.
Yeah, they pop right there.
Yeah, I guess that little noise is what it makes. Let me set it up.
You sit right on the trip.
Now that did something.
They were holding for a long time.
When you do it, you finna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get it on camera. Yeah, I'm gonna get it on camera. Hmm?
gonna go?
Yeah, you do, no. He be getting on, boy. He be talking about me. If it was darker, you guys probably would see it a little bit better, but it's showing some colors when it pop. My skin is about to start changing again. Now in the wintertime, I peel bad. I'm like a fish. No. Then, and in the summertime, I'm a blowfish because my face blow up. I swell. I have my face swells on me. So I'm like a blowfish in the summertime. My skin, my face get really bad. I can't stay outside long. What? I can't stay outside long because my skin get irritated. Pollen irritates me. I'm just sensitive when it gets to heat. I think I'm a sensitive person, right? He said yeah. He said yeah. He will say yeah. He don't like being outside either. Look at him. Oh my God.
Where you going?
What the world? I knew it was gonna do it, but
I wish I had my phone. Oh my God.
no, cause you could scare me more. You was running over here towards me. Let me let y'all see how this one looks. Alright, y'all. Y'all ain't probably see I know y'all ain't see it that first time. Cause I was trying to get away. But I'm gonna let y'all see how this one is, but I'm gonna stand back though. And what he doing is he's packing that dirt on top. And the dirt gonna get from on top of it. Ask him, what's your point of doing that?
See it, get black. See that reaction.
Okay. Don't run. Stay close. Go flying up here. Dog. Go tell your neck. Your neck.
These right here done it. All these, they 4 years old. All these popping on his back.
We'll let him pop this one. See what it do.
Pop this out of there.
This is the end of it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all see how the four-year-old firework works.
Horribly.
Except the little thing, them dynamites thing that will pop inside the ground.
That was straight.
Yeah. I don't like those right there. Trying too close to
it. Spot on the only top firework besides popping down there like we usually do.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe again. Make sure y'all comment and see which one was y'all favorite firework. And we will see you guys
on the next video.
Period.